Barely a week after the Kenya Human Rights Commission and other petitioners challenged the court on higher education funding models seeking its nullification, a section of members of parliament have also castigated President William Ruto's move to change the model, highlighting how the course will violate the Universities Act and grossly abuse the rights of the intended beneficiaries. President Ruto has defended the model, highlighting that it was arrived at following a vast consultation engagement with various university stakeholders and that it is for the good of the country. Mike Kagwango reports.
The new President William Ruto's university funding model has once again received a sharp criticism from leaders drawn from the opposition, who argue that the model will be a burden to the less fortunate in the society. Speaking during a church funds drive-in in Nyanzani Catholic Church, Yatta Member of Parliament Robert Bashil said the model will make education an expensive affair in the country, urging the president to revert to the old system.
Sasa hivi help inapeanwa selectively. Mtoto wa maskini sasa hizi kuendelea na masomo ni Mungu tu.
Unauliza Ruto, wewe ni Mkristo? Wewe unajiita Mkristo? Na tunakuheshimu. Tafadhali wananchi wanaumia.
The new model, which was announced in May this year, has also seen the government group students into 3 financial categories, including vulnerable, less vulnerable, and able. The vulnerable students will be fully funded by the government, a departure from the previous model whereby any student who qualifies to join university via the government-funded scheme enjoyed state financing through university. In the new model, students from public universities and technical and vocational education and training (TVET) institutions who require funding shall have to apply formally through the Higher Education Financing Portal. Embattled Jubilee Party Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni termed the new model as unrealistic, stating that many parents will be unable to pay fees for their children due to unfavorable government policies and high cost of living.
Tutaita wazazi wote watokezee Kenya mzima na wachukue sufuria tupigie hii serikali hawa watu wako kwa serikali.
However, while speaking in the 40th anniversary celebrations of ACK Church in Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County Sunday, President William Ruto said the model, which was arrived at following a vast consultative engagement with various higher education stakeholders, sought to help government fund universities with up to 86 billion shillings.
Ile funding model ambayo tumekuwa tukiendesha nayo ilikuwa inasababisha university kukosa pesa. Sasa tumetengeneza funding model mpya. Tumeketi chini na universities, vice chancellors, boards, councils, tumekubaliana.
The new funding model seeks to ensure accountability and transparency in the application and funding of students joining higher institutions of learning. Mike Kagwango, TV 47, Nairobi.